Hey guys, so today I'm making another Tamagotchi cake. This time I'm making Violetchi, I think that's what she's called, but she looks like this. She's really cute. She's got some flowers in her hair, and I'm making another Tamagotchi cake because you guys seem to really like it. My Coochie Pachi cake has over 300 views, which is totally insane, and I can't believe that. If you haven't seen my Coochie Pachi cake video, I'll put it on the little iCard that pops up in the top right corner. I'm really glad that you guys are enjoying my Tamagotchi videos because this was something that I just totally created by myself. I didn't get any inspiration from Instagram or anything. I literally just looked at my Coochie Pachi stuffed animal and said, I'm going to make that into a cake. And the fact that you guys enjoy every Tamagotchi cake video that I make, you guys also loved the Memechi cake, and I just really appreciate it because it's something that I created on my own and I really love making these cakes. So yeah, let's get started. So I just have this rectangle cake and I printed out a template, and now I'm just cutting around the template with a knife. So I'm just taking some buttercream frosting and I'm just spreading that all around the cake, and then I'm going to put it into the fridge for at least an hour to chill. So now I just rolled out some purple fondant and I covered the entire cake with it, and now I'm just taking a knife to trim down all the edges. To make the flowers on her head, I just rolled out some yellow fondant and some green fondant, and I just freehanded it with a knife. But if you have a flower cookie cutter, you should definitely use that because it'll make your life a lot easier. Next, I just rolled out some strips of black fondant and I outlined her face and her body. To make her eyes, I rolled out some black fondant and used a circle cookie cutter, and then I took just a little piece of black fondant to use for the eyelash, and then I just attached those two pieces. To make her mouth, I just took a piece of black fondant and I bent the edges to form a smile. Next, I just took some white food coloring and a paintbrush to paint on all the little reflections on her eyes. Next, to make the blush, I am taking some pink luster dust and I'm just painting that on her face. Now for the outline on her flowers, I just took some black food coloring and a paintbrush and I just painted an outline all around both flowers. And we're done. This is our Violetchi cake next to the picture of Violetchi. I think she came out beautiful and she looks so adorable. I love her. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next, and my social medias are in the description, so go follow me and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!